Hey everyone, it's Karthik and welcome back to Codula. Guys, this video will gonna be different from the other videos because in this video we are going to discuss about pickling in Python. And before getting late, let's get started. And guys, before starting the video, make sure that you have liked this video, subscribe to Codula Talks channel, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram. And meanwhile, you can visit on my another website, codelearn1.pythonenvy.com, in which you can learn more than 7+ languages, and you can compile and run your code using this code playground section, and you can encounter your doubts by asking through this discussion section. So let's continue. So guys, as usual, let's open our Visual Studio Code and create a new file, and that file name gonna be pickling dot pickling.py. And guys, let me close this explorer and zoom it for you. So guys, basically pickling is a module is used for serializing and deserializing a Python object structure. Any object in Python can be pickled so that it can be saved in the disk. And what pickle does is that it serializes the object first before writing it to the file. And this pickling is a way to convert a Python object, it can be a list, it can be a dictionary, etc., into a character stream. And guys, the idea is that this character stream contains all the information necessary to reconstruct the object in another Python script. So guys, this is a module, and guys, we all know that to use the any module in Python, we have to first import it. So we have to type import pickle, something like this, spelling mistake here, so sorry. And yeah, and then guys, we have to type a def. Then guys, we have to simply type store data, and then after it we have to type a name. So in this case I will type David, and is equal to key, and I will type David. And so guys, here I will capital this D, and after that I will add a comma and type name, and after that I will type David, and then guys, let me add a comma here, and I will type age, and then so guys, the age will be assigned in an integer value, so there is no need to add a semicolon or a colon. So we have to type it. Suppose I will type 21, and pay I will type this value, and after that I will copy this, and instead of David I will type Zoe, and I will change the age. So here I will type 90, not 19, 20, and instead of 5 I will type 4, and then you have to type db is equal to a blank value, and then we have to type db, and we have to type David, capital letter, yeah, and then guys, we have to add a square bracket, not curly braces, and then is equal to David, and then again db, and Zoe in the single quotes, and is equal to Zoe. Press to save, and after that guys, we have to simply type db file is equal to open. Okay, and then we have to simply type example pickle, and comma ab, and after that guys, we have to simply type pickle dot dump, and then we have to type db comma db file, and then guys we have to again type db file dot close, and then again create a function, and here we have to type load, and then we have to type data, data. Then we have to simply type db file, db file is equal to open, and then we have to type example pickle, and again dot rb, not ab, rb, then db is equal to pickle dot load, then db file, and after that you have to type for loop keys, not for loop, for keys in db, and then we have to type print, and after that we have to type keys, something like this, keys, and then we have to add a comma, and a semicolon is equal to an arrow, and again a comma, and db square bracket keys. After that we have to simply come out from this for loop and type db file dot close, and then we have to simply type if underscore name is equal to underscore main, and then we have to simply type store data, and after that we have to type load data, can press to save. So guys, now let's run this file, and oh, just wait a second, yeah, let me clear out this and again run this. So you can see is David is equal to key value, and the David, name David, age 21, pay the amount which we have assigned right now. So guys, basically this codes represent the value which we have assigned in this variables, and it will work automatically. Guys, suppose if we add some other values, something like that, Trevor, and suppose Michael, etc., so it will automatically assign that in this way. So guys, now let's write some codes again. So in this code we have to work with pickling without a file. So let me comment out these, yeah, and import pickling, and not pickling, import pickle. So let me copy this and paste it here, and after that guys we have to simply type. So okay guys, we have to simply type David is equal to key value which we have assigned previously, and then db, and then db David is equal to David, db Zoe is equal to Zoe, and b pickle dot dump, and my entry pickle dot load b, print my entry. So guys, this is the way to work with pickling without a file. So guys, I hope you understand this pickling concept in Python. So guys, in the next tutorial we will learn something more about Python. So bye bye, see you later, and guys don't forget to follow us on Instagram and visit on codelearn1.python.com. So bye bye.